Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now. After cleansing and a light moisturizer, target only the areas that need correction. You want slightly tacky skin so the product adheres. Next, pick the correct shade. Green cancels red, peach cancels blue-purple, and use a tiny amount. Once chosen, dot the corrector sparingly with a small brush or fingertip. Press it in instead of rubbing to avoid moving product. Make sure to keep coverage thin so the concealer layers naturally on top without creasing. Once the corrector is placed, blend the edges gently using a small synthetic brush or a damp sponge in a pressing motion. This preserves pigment where needed and softens lines. Keep the center slightly more pigmented if coverage is the priority, then feather outward so transitions read natural. After blending, give it about 20 to 30 seconds to set. This prevents pilling when you apply foundation or concealer. If you must layer, use a thin, skin tone concealer and press it over. To finish, set the corrected area very lightly with a small brush and translucent powder. Dust only where needed to avoid dryness. Once done, evaluate in natural light and build coverage incrementally instead of piling product on. Thin layers look more natural and last longer. If you see creasing, gently wipe away the outermost product with a cotton swab, re-moisturize that tiny spot, then reapply minimal corrector and concealer. This troubleshooting step fixes texture without starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.